On Sunday, the 18th of July, the man behind me, Big E, was able to do the unthinkable. He finally got the accolade we were waiting for. He was able to win the Money in the Bank briefcase match 2021. This is a guy that has continually been on kind of a singles push. It's great to see him finally get some sort of reward for his efforts. This is a guy that's only lost one singles match this year by pinfall back at WrestleMania against Apollo Crews in the Nigerian drum fight. So for me, it's really good to see Big E get this briefcase. This is a tool that can elevate him further. This is a guy that we think long overdue for a singles push. We thought he'd be in the main event picture already. The $1 million question and the answer to this video is where do I see him cashing in and who against? So I'm going to break it down in a bit of detail. Hope you enjoy it. Let's kind of get into it. So crucial at the moment, we do know that Big E has got the briefcase, has got a choice of where he can go. He could either cash it in against the current SmackDown champion, Roman Reigns, or the Raw champion, Bobby Lashley, or he could even go to NXT and cash it in against Karrion Kross. Just to rule that out now, it's not going to be Karrion Kross and NXT. No, Big E's Money in the Bank briefcase is far too big for that. I don't want to be disrespectful to NXT, but it is. So let's go to it. So following the Money in the Bank match between Kofi Kingston, Big E's former running teammate, and Bobby Lashley, where Bobby Lashley totally utterly destroyed Kofi Kingston, it was a proper mishandling. For me, the natural fit for Big E, he's going to go to Raw. He has to kind of go to Raw. I think he needs to get revenge, sort of, obviously, for the way that kind of his former comrades have been treated. When we look at it like this is a Bobby Lashley that has not only destroyed Xavier Woods back at the Hell in a Cell back in June, he's also beat Xavier. He's also beat Kofi Kingston as well. Totally destroyed him. And for me, I think this is a natural place for him to go. So my prediction, obviously, with this is he is going to go to Raw. This will be the place where he will have a feud with Bobby Lashley. In terms of a cash-in, where do we see this kind of cash-in taking place? For me, I think this is a match that's got to sort of happen. Although Big E's a babyface, I could see this happening at the end of kind of a match, if that makes sense. So for me, we do know already that we have got this match kind of lined up for SummerSlam. So Goldberg versus Bobby Lashley. They started the work of that on Raw this past week, although Bobby Lashley tweeted saying it's not happened. This match is going to happen. So I would be a fan of Big E cashing in after this match at SummerSlam. It would be a really good way to get the Las Vegas crowd hyped. And I think this really means that they can do something, because I think the Big E and Bobby Lashley feud could be one of the greatest feuds of the year, if done right. I think Big E's a great bit part opponent for Bobby Lashley as well. I think he would be a good holdover so they can go to WrestleMania next year and get Brock Lesnar, I think, for me as well. Let me know in the comments, where do you think the cash-in will happen? I think as well, what I would say is I think at SummerSlam, Big E will cash in. He will get the title, the Raw World title as well. And I think he'll hold it for a while, but I do think this is a placeholder feud until we get the real money match in Brock Lesnar and Bobby Lashley as well. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. As always, if you can, please drop a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts of where the cash-in is going to happen. Have a good day, people. Thank you for watching.